How to hide your friend list on Roblox. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide that we can follow up and we should be able to hide our friend list on Roblox. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can open up our browser for that, and once we open up our browser, we can just go over and search for roblox.com and hit enter. And once we go to roblox.com, we can just go over and look out for the settings option. Look out for the gear icon in the top right and click on it. And that should open up this menu. Select settings from the given menu and open it up. Once open, we just need to go over to the section for privacy and content restrictions. And that will open up the space. Within the space, we need to look out for the option called Who Can See My Friends or something like that. Here we can find an option called Visibility and Private Service. We can click on it. And here tap on Private Service or Visibility. And you can select the option of, if you have option of Who Can See My Friends, we can just go and set it to no one. Click on no one. We can see if that option is available here. If not, here we have private service option we can click on, and here also we can set the option for no one and go ahead and just go over and restrict it. And this visibility communication section is to maximize privacy. Not these options are restricted and sometimes may be applied automatically in some of the reason, for example, UK or age settings, but usually this is how you should be able to do it. And if that option is not available, sometimes it's automatically applied as well. If that option is available, you can set it in on and that should do it. You can also manually remove friends from your profile, and that should also hide those friends from your account. And that's it. Those are probably some of the solutions that you can follow for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.